Like Barbara. Having orange meat pie. Diamonds all travel.
It's fluffy.
Yeah, we'll just call you Fluffinella with the orange hair.
I just gotta get you to do my eyebrows.
Your eyebrows? It's not. It's dangerous.
To match. You can cover my eyes up.
What?
You can cover my eyes up. Just do my eyebrows.
Oh, there's little Wendy sleeping.
With his little grease.
Isn't he cute? Ah, lovely blurry picture.
Should be blurry. And if you keep playing with the telephone. Lovely hair.
It's not focusing. There we go. Yeah, she looks lovely.
My lovely hair.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Do the eyebrows, fine.
Do my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
I want to keep it like this. You're gonna have to do my eyebrows.
I mean, do the eyebrow thing, you know, like. There's all the glasses. There's that lovely. Big hair, big coat. Fabu, just like you have there.
I am Fabu. I'm glad. Come on, baby.
Got pulled off, man. You are now watching Chopping Babies with your host, Glenda Fabu Woodley. With the orange hair. So she
Spin the camera around and make people sick.
Fabu,
Look.
Ew.
Is this recording?
Is that lovely?
Is this recording?
Mm-hmm.
Don't keep going back and forth. Don't pause while you're doing it.
How sweet. Useful sleeping.
My forehead feels real tight.
It's because it is.
Feels like a little moisture came out of my face.
Really?
Delicious.com. Quoi? Blanche.
Jelly roll. Jelly roll. Jelly roll.
I'm really gonna tickle you.
Ah, lovely blurry face. There you go. Do the eyebrows, Glenda. Divine.
I have an ugly dead baby. Should take better pictures now. Go.
Yeah, something like that.
Something you won't see in crystal here.
Mm-hmm. No, there's not even felt like milk yet. It was like lawn dogs.
It's like what?
Ay. What a bone crushing, right? Ew. Big gigantic nipples.
Yes, I've got two. They're real.
But you have 4 tits. How can that be?
I'm gifted.
1, 2, and there's 2 on the other side, right? Where is it? Poor thing, you work 9 hours today. It's not easy being a working man. What's wrong? Are you tight?
It is tight.
You're not known for being tight. You can take a 13-incher that's 4 inches around. Little guy named Bubba. He's going to be in your jail cell.
Actually, Actually, his name is Joey.
Joey.
Oh my god. Probably wasn't his real name.
Yeah. Probably
Maybe
lucky.
Joey's not anywhere. Hi, shoes. That's how you shoes.
Now, be nice.
Smile. Tiny mushrooms.
Now. Some people like that.
Yeah.
And
There's desperation.
And there's the shady one, Loretta.
Yeah.
And there's her friend, Miss Fuka. And there's Flo's bottle that she gave you.
Mm-hmm.
And Flo. I never got to meet her.
You did get to meet her.
No, so too bad they didn't get to meet Aunt,
Aunt
Bossy or whatever her name is.
Aunt,
No, Bessie.
Bessie.
Yeah.
Bossy, good name. She's Bossy the cow.
I shouldn't do that. It's not nice. I thought it was Bossy or something. Well, I work for Borden. Just gotta.
Bossy town.
I have around time.
I serve milk to my family. Baka Baka channel.
More baby carnage. I like it. Okay. Let's see. In my book, it's called Dance of the Dead. Isn't it fabulous? And there's little Andy sleeping with his Afghan or whatever the hell it is. There's the obelisk. And there's Glenn's black and white fabulous mirror that I taught him how to make. He was gonna have it. That's where our dove used to be before we cooked her. Isn't she fabulous? Yes, that's the place of the dove.
Yes, we spent 5 hours today eating in a restaurant.
It was fabulous. Yes, we scared the poor Chinese lady. She said, "You go now. You eat here for 5 hours. You graze too much. You weigh 500 pounds." Until some guy named Jed walks in with all his hairiness.
He picked up the buffet and just dumped it in his mouth.
Yes. He was trough man. He grazed a lot longer than we did. Oh well, at least she was a nice lady, right?
Yeah, she was. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ooh.
Who's the pirate now?
That's the place. That's the bleach on.
And he calls me a pirate.
Very nice.
What would BB say to you now?
What?
What would BB say to you now? Trying to burn your house down.
Because I'm just flaming.
I'll leave that one alone. Yeah. Day number 1 of our diet. Turn on your side, Sean.
Huh?
Turn to your side.
So the next time you think you don't see anything in the forest, look again.
A big, huge man. Okay, turn to your right. Ah! Big man. Ah. Okay.
Don't take me.
All day, man.
Hey.
That's a fart starter, too.
Thank you. Thank you. I should know her. I love you. How'd you know her? Explain yourself.
Explain myself.
Yeah. Say who you are and what gender you are.
I don't have to explain myself. I am glad to do
Who did you?
Shanae. Shanae O'Connor.
This is for all those bitches who see this to know that my makeup's fabulous and yours isn't. I'm not talking about yours. Go over near the light. So we can get a better look at you. Are you gonna do the show for me?
Yes, I am.
Why are you playing that? Do the show. Work it! Come on, Glenda.
Don't do shows anymore.
Well, face the camera at least. Well, look at your profile. Oh, love those feminine legs.
Thank you.
Face the camera, sweetheart. There we go. Here's another smile. Hey, look at me and lift your eyebrows up. Oh, good, good. Nice hair. Oh, this is a good episode. Why?
I don't like that song. Why are you playing with it?
Why?
You are. You're watching what I was just on there.
No, it wasn't. The hardcore popped up.
I love that song.
No, that's good.
What are you doing now?
Need nails.
Your way, so I go, but I know I will think of you every step of the way.
That was foul.
And love you.
Yeah, she did a show.
Love you.
Won't be able to see it at all.
How's the picture?
Kind of hazy.
My darling,
Turn them off.
bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye. Please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you
to stop it.
Okay.
If I should say
Staying right where it is. It hasn't moved.
only in your way, so I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. Will always love you. You, my darling, you. Bittersweet memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And I will always love you. I will always love you.
Oh, good, you found it. I can do another sound feature on this way. A little bit more. Scrap your ashtray.
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shingling that they're starting to sing so far. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more.
There needs to be drag songs. We can do them. They're real mellow nights.
Your guitar sounds so
That's Clown White. Yeah.
but you're not.
It's like Clown White on the face.
It's just the radio. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, oh baby,
Oh, I want it. The neighbors
I
get this song.
love you.
I
really do.
You have to leave. It'd be better if you just took your shirt off.
Really?
I would.
Why? It'll go all over your shirt.
I don't care. Give me that fucking coat blanket.
No! Why? I've seen you naked as many times.
Nobody else does.
Close your eyes.
Yeah. You see Randy when you slept with me too. We all done this story. That's what you do for talking. Look, Randy. There's that guy.
It's our competition.
He's got a ticket to
That's
ride.
not the general effect.
He's got a ticket to
Please sing that again, baby. We're gonna go away.
He's got a ticket to ride, and he don't care. Don't know why he's riding so high. He ought to do right, he ought to do right by me. Before he gets to saying goodbye, he ought to do right, he ought to do right by me. I think I'm gonna be sad. I think it's today. The boy that's driving me mad is going away. Oh, he's got a ticket to ride. He's got a ticket to ride. He's got a ticket to ride, and he don't I'll stay
I can see how much you did me off as a black person. Yeah, we took my
Time and time again, the chance for love has passed me by, and all I know of love is how to live without it. I just can't seem to find it. So I've made my mind up, I must live my life alone. I know it's not the easy way, I guess I've always known I'd say goodbye. There are no tomorrows for this heart of mine. Surely time will lose these bitter memories, and I'll find a better someone to believe in and to live for. Something I could live for. All the years of useless searching finally reached an end. Loneliness and emptiness will be my only friend. From the day love is forgotten, I'll go on as best I can.
Oh, they go wolf. I like using that. You just bring it out.
What lies in the future is a mystery to us all. So one can predict the wheel of fortune as it falls. There may come a time when I will see that I've been wrong.
Can we have that song? Baby, I can't do the Jimmy. I don't know. Oh,
I really miss the game. The birds on the telephone lines are crying out to me. Next time, and I won't be so blind next
Shelley
time,
Bassey's
and I'll find some harmony.
bitchy. It is
But
bitchy.
it's going to take some time this time, and I can't really make. But like the young trees in the winter time, I don't have a plan. After all the tears we spent, how
How about I got the stuff that you want? I got the things that you need.
so it's one more experience, and I'm on again. And it's going to take some time this time, and I can't make you mad. I don't have a plan.
You can be real dramatic and make it feel something. If you're doing certain songs, you have certain costumes. What I'm gonna do is put you to the test. I'm gonna give you this makeup. I want you to choose a song that you think will look good.
No matter what I plan,
I said bitchy, but that's a joke.
just like the young trees in the winter time, I would have been. After all the tears we spent, how could we make amends? So it's one more round for experience, and I'm on the road again. And it's going to take some time this time. All his radio.
All right, you're listening to All Hit Radio, and it's 53 degrees at 13 minutes past the hour. And right now on our caller request line, I've got Mike Ledgerwood on the phone. Hey, babe, what would you like to hear? Hey, babe, I'm sorry, I can't hear you too well. You're going to have to speak a little closer to the phone. Okay, babe, what would you like to hear again? Hey, Mike, I'm sorry, babe, but that's not on our playlist. And by the way, you sound great over the phone. Anyway, if you give us your request, we'll be glad to play it for you, babe. So let's hear it. Listen, Mike, I'm sorry, babe, but we can't. I'm sorry, Mike, we.
In your mind, you have the capacity to know, to telepathic messages through the vast snow. Please close your eyes and concentrate with every thought you think upon the recitation we're about to sing. Holding occupants up into planetary.
What are you wheezing about? And breathe!
What's
your plan? Breathing's just a trivial thing.
Holding occupants of interplanetary craft. Holding you. I'm laughing with you. Our earth may never survive. Look on me, beg you. Please interstellar policeman. Oh, won't you give us a sign? Give us a sign that we wish you. Oh, no.
It's a weird song.
It's the national anthem for Contact Day.
For what day?
it's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Troubles seem to often disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can't really lose when you're near. When you're near my life. If all my friends have forgotten half their promises, they're not unkind, just hard to find. One look at you and I knew that I could learn to live without regret. I found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Now you look at page. Too bad I don't have Ursula sound from The Little Mermaid.
Yeah, that would be good makeup for Ursula, wouldn't it?
Ooh, you can do that. Been done so many times. My hair's so dirty. Yep. I never let it go as long as I watched it. What?
It's in good condition right now.
Look at the two
We'll get it.
of us.
Yeah, I've just been rinsing good times. Oh, yeah. They just opened a new one there.
God, you look like the biggest bitch I've ever seen. I thought.
Not telling me how long I have left.
Oh, that's alright. Still lift that thing up more.
Oh, okay.
What's
It's
the thing?
got 19 minutes left.
Okay. Lift that shade up more. That's it. Can you go turn off the kitchen light? No, we need them on.
Can you start over? Why aren't you standing up?
Get the white chair and just sit behind the recliner. Hey, just keep leaving the chair. It's okay, we're not scared.
You can climb that, I'll break.
But I had recording.
Is it or isn't it?
That's recording.
You're the best man I've ever known. You
laugh at that?
I can't stand up.
Do what?
What are you laughing at?
I'm not laughing at anything.
You're laughing because I fell.
I'm not. Why would you say that?
How much time do you get left on here?
I'm gonna start recording again. Hold on. 8 minutes.
One time for one more. I know what I'm doing too. It's one you love.
Here we are, just going through the motions one more time. You're looking in my eyes, but you don't see. Here I am, feeling like a stranger in your arms. I touch you, I hold you, but lately I don't know you. Something is wrong, but we go on from day to day. And we just pretend it all away, like nothing's changed. But in our hearts, we know it's not the same. 'Cause we're not making love anymore. Baby, we're not making love like before. We may hold each other tight, say that everything's alright, but we're not making love. Remember when you couldn't wait to run into my arms, when the love inside my heart was all you needed. Remember when you made me wish the night would never end. The fire, the thunder, we live to love each other. If ever two hearts were one, then it was yours and mine. But that was another place and time. We have to show our memories of the dream we used to know. 'Cause we're not making love anymore. Baby, we're not making love like before. We may hold each other tight, say that everything's alright. We're not making love. When did we lose our way? We had it all, don't know how it all just slipped away. But oh, can we get it back again? Is it too late? Can we try just one time? We're not making love anymore. Baby, we're not making love like before. We may hold each other tight, say that